Libertyville Chiropractor, Dr. Steve Siegel here, and I'm out in my garden trying to water it, and as you can see, there's a significant kink in this hose. Simply here, all I have to do is unkink it. In my office, when I have a kink that bad, it usually takes me like 2, sometimes maybe 3 visits. So you also like to check out the other end of the hose, and over here we have another kink. But this one here is simple because here the water's still going to flow. In my office, this is a 1 visitor. This is, hey doc, it's time. So as you can see, I see chiropractic even in gardening. Libertyville Chiropractor, until next time.